SGT Times, bringing news from campus buzz to the world. I am Sandeep Kaur. Here's what making headlines. PM Modi inaugurates 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas in Orissa. ISRO to get new chief on January 14. Delhi records 6.4 degrees Celsius, battles severe cold wave. Here's a detailed look at our stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has kicked off 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas in Bhubaneswar, Orissa. This special event honors Indians living abroad and include culture shows, exhibitions and visit to iconic sites like Jagannath Temple. Let's find out more about this grand celebration.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated today's 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas in Bhubaneswar, Orissa. This event celebrates the contribution of Indians living abroad and marks Mahatma Gandhi's return to India from South Africa in 1915. The grand opening at Janata Maidan saw the attendance of dignitaries from across the globe, including Trinidad and Tobago's President Christine Carla Kanglo. Cultural exhibits, tribal art displays, and visits to the Jagannath Temple are part of the celebrations. With over 5,000 NRIs participating, the theme for this year is Diaspora's Contribution to a Viksit Bharat. President Draupadi Murmu will grace the valedictory session on January 10. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Big news from India's space world. Dr. V. Narayanan is set to become new head of ISRO, taking over from S. Somnath on January 14. With years of experience in rocket sciences, he is ready to lead India's space mission to greater heights. Let's dive into the details.
Big changes are happening in India's space mission leadership. Dr. V. Narayan, a veteran rocket scientist, has been named the next chairman of ISRO. He will take over S. Somnath on January 14. Dr. Narayanan has spent nearly 4 decades working on advanced propulsion systems and spacecraft. Under his leadership, ISRO is expected to push further into space exploration and ambitious projects. His expertise and dedications are set to take India's space journey to new heights. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's pause for a short break. We will be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back. Here what's next in the news. Delhi is freezing. Temperature have dropped to 6.4 degrees Celsius and thick fog has made getting around tough. Night shelters are full as people try to escape the biting cold. Stay with us for updates on how Delhiites are managing this winter chill.
Delhi is shivering as temperatures dropped to a biting 6.4 degrees Celsius this morning, marking one of the coldest days of the season. The Indian Meteorological Department predicts the mercury could dip even further, with the minimum expected at 5 degrees Celsius. Dense fog has added to commuters' woes, reducing visibility and causing delays. Many homeless individuals are seeking shelter in government-run night shelters, which are now operating at full capacity. While Delhiites brave the cold, the chill serves as a reminder of the harsh winter conditions gripping North India. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
This wraps up today's bulletin. SGT Times bids you goodbye for now. See you soon with more news that matters.